if you'd like to get these beachy waves, stay tuned.
And twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Victoria.
And I'm Kylie, and we're just a couple of moms changing our lives one habit at a time. Make sure that you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button because we need subscribers and we love you guys so much. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss a single video.
Okay, so last week we did beach wave tutorial for long hair. Now this week, if you'd like to get these beachy waves, stay tuned and we will be teaching you how to do beach waves on short hair. And I can say it was a success.
It was.
Looks real nice.
Okay, let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. They say what we're gonna say.
Okay, so we are going to be doing a beach wave tutorial on short hair now. So Kylie is a beginner. She doesn't even know how to use a curling iron.
I don't.
Just a wand. So this will be the true telling sign if this is doable because she will be learning right along with you. Okay, so with the shorter hair, we're just gonna grab it somewhere near the bottom, leave a little tail, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, hold it, and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and pull the end straight. And we got a little doodad right there. We're using a 3/4 of an inch curling iron.
It's a full length clamp.
Yes, full length clamp. This does feel weird because it's like a lot shorter of a curling iron than I'm used to, but and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and straight in the end. Okay, do you want to give it a try?
I'm just gonna stretch it out and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and pull and twist. Oh, and twist. Oh yes.
That was good. Okay, that's 2. That's enough twisting. Okay, that's good. Make sure when you pull in the end straight, you're pulling it straight down as if it was a straightener.
Okay.
And then when you feel like you're too tight up to the scalp, you can unroll it like half a roll, so it gives you a little room to twirl it down.
So we are going to bring it down and twirl, and twirl, and twirl, and twirl. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and unroll it half a wave and untwirl and twirl and twirl, twirl it. Okay, and then we're gonna go straight down like a straight line.
Yeah. Your twirl.
That just wasn't very confident. Yeah.
Your twirl was a little not like. Your twirl was like you were like unraveling it. You weren't twirling it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Just turn one more time and clamp and roll up, roll up, roll up, and then twist, 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 twist. Pull straight.
Hold for a few seconds and out. Okay.
Actually, yeah, physically spin it. Yeah. That's right.
Okay.
And then
Now
work straight.
Ready?
Dready. Little dready dread. Oh, look at that little
Okay.
dready. That's what we like, these little dready dreads.
Alright, okay, I'm gonna fluff these little dreadies out.
You guys missed it, but I fried Kylie's ear off, so it turned white immediately, blistering. Oh, heavens help us.
Let me see.
Yeah. just give it texture, to give it more beachiness. Mama, how you feeling, girlfriend? Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Kill 'em, ooh. Kill 'em, ooh. Kill 'em, kill 'em, kill 'em.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, there will be a $500 giveaway. So make sure you subscribe because you could be the lucky winner.
Bye! Oh, I see what it's doing.
You see what it's doing? You see that butt?
Oh crap.
This stuff's pretty.
Oh!
Okay,
Yeah. Chicka bunny. Sorry, I have to do my shoulder twitch. I'm so sorry.